welcome to Halloween weekend number 1. We won't be here for number 2. This year they did a little bit different stuff. So you've seen in our other videos from Halloween, they had those big, they had a big setup up at an RV site at one time, and then the other time was at the pavilion. This year though, they've kind of put them coming down our row, so it goes kind of wraps around, and then you got one there, and then there's a big scarecrow over there. So we kind of set up a little bit differently. We got our jumping spider there. We got our little hillbilly banjo playing skeleton there. Scarecrow here this year, but he's been I think we have to change his sensor because he's going off when you're getting too close to him. So I think there's a sensor. I think you can adjust it. Maybe. I don't know. Last year he didn't jump like that. Little cemetery, our ghost, and then our talking pumpkin, which right now the sun's hitting it, so you can't see his face when he's talking. So I put him in the basket thinking that might help. By the time 5 o'clock rolls around, the sun will be in a different position, and hopefully that works. And then our floating ghost head, who seems to always want to face the other way. He glows blue. I don't know if you guys seen him or not. So we're just kind of working up on some other stuff here. This year with the new camera, I want to do time lapse, or maybe even the hyper. I don't know. We'll see. So I have some wires ran out, so I can plug it in and let it record the whole thing at high speed. So we'll see how that goes. Man, this new lens is dusty. Hope you guys can't see that. That's horrible. I'm gonna have to clean it. Alright, so trick-or-treating's over. Went through about a bag and a half, so roughly 300 pieces of candy, I guess, for the day. So that's not too bad. Now we're just waiting. The haunted hayride will be coming through here shortly, and we're gonna do some dinner. I'll get some footage of the different sites here that are all decorated here once it gets dark.
I'm friends with the ghost that haunts this place. His name's Daryl Wooden. He's a great guy. A little shy at times, but you'll know him when you see him. I once knew a man named Stan. Really nice guy. But then he got turned into a zombie and tried to eat my brain. Yeah, we were best friends. Dracula? Not a bad guy. Sure, he drinks blood, but hey, if you're over 1,000 years old and that's your diet, then you must be doing something right.
Be there for dinner, 'cause I am no pumpkin pie, or shot out from a cannon, flying through the sky.
Dad, watch this.
I'm watching.
If I am like not doing anything, I just put my hair up in that like messy bun. If like on Friday when I have the women's meeting or like I do like curriculum night, I'll like take a shower the night before, or sometimes I'll take a shower and then I'll straighten my hair in the morning, and then I'll just go like this with it and then put it